Hello, my name is Kumar. I'm a licensed realtor and property manager based in New Jersey. We at Acrebook Solutions are a team of highly tech-savvy, organized real estate professionals. We bring in over 25 years of experience in business, technology, financial operations. Our service includes leasing, bookkeeping, maintenance, marketing, financial modeling, anything related to real estate. Acrebook brings extensive experience in property management tools such as AppFolio, Buildium, Yardi, Rent Manager, or any property management tools. Our services in bookkeeping, accounts payable, accounts receivable, invoice processing, bill entry, bank reconciliation, HOA accounting, owner statement, audit, reports, financial summary, metrics. Any of those things related to the bookkeeping, we can take care of it. Our services and customer service include tenant support, contractual coordination, 24/7 customer support, maintenance support. We can communicate in accent-free English, Spanish, and 80 other languages. We have established a process to follow the collections eviction to make sure that the owner gets around on time. Thank you for considering me for your particular role. However, I'm looking forward to working with you. Please reach out to me if you want to further have a conference with me after discuss bold questions. Thank you.